dream house. This entire area is owned by Mr. Nelson Feinstein. He's a wealthy Belizean. The present port where they ship that, or the tenders, it was owned by him, and it was sold. He sold it. One of our famous Belize sign is out here as well. Belize sign right here to the right.
You see that?
We have about 3 of them in the city. There's the ocean to the land, right? So whenever we have like windy conditions, the water can be coming up all this way in the cold room. This was the residence of the Veteran Prime Minister. That's the reason why that pole is there, because the flag used to be hanging on the pole. Right down here to the left is where we'll be going, where the local runs of the village. Sometimes very little was known about fresh fish. Right, and we have some of the locals that work and clean your fish for you for a price.
Ain't get out my money, I ain't touching it, right?
You get fresh fish like snapper.
What's this area over here?
That's it. This is known as the Ponyard Bridge, and go straight across the bridge. This will take us to the main downtown product. They may spend probably like 2-3 months period. They go back home and come back again.
How far is Guatemala?
Approximately about 98 miles on the western road.
How far?
One of the Mayan temples, almost with most of the people you see running these stores are the Indians.
No, there ain't no stop signs. Ain't no lights.
So y'all don't have stop signs, huh?
Yeah, we have them.
Yeah. I saw a few. I think they're suggested.
To our immediate right is a marine to visit. And just next door is Terminal 4. So we made it back here safe and sound.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Take a look at my beautiful bracelet.
I see your beautiful bracelet, but
And the shot glass, you better believe it. Handmade.
no, but thank you.
Are you a Belizean or American?
American. Seaplane might be going to the blue hole. And there's the sign. Belize, baby.